First, I say good morning to the team of the YouTube supporter. This video I made for the appeal for my channel. This video I want to show you how to make the video to upload in my channel. So over here is the place for I keep the wood for make everything by wood turning. All kind of the wood for I made the video. You see? I told you I don't know what happened on my channel. What is mistake? Why my channel cannot earn the money? And what is problem with monetize? So all video in my channel is original video. Also all video is my own video. I never download or upload another video to my channel. I never. All video is my own video. Here is the workplace. You see here. So over here is like I told you, it's my workplace and the place for I keep the wood for working here. Like I told you, all my video is original video. I never download from another channel to upload in my channel. I hope my channel will coming soon to earn the money. Like I told you, very hard working for video. It's not easy. Okay, I also show you the working shop. How can I take the video to upload in my channel? Very simple place to work the video, to do the video, to upload in my channel. So yeah, I show you here. Over here is the working shop, the working place. All is carpenter for work. You see here. You can check all video in my channel. If the video is like this. Over here is the place for work. You see. Yeah. Net is coming soon with the monetize to earn the money. It's not easy for do the video. Yeah. Every day I working here for take the video to upload in my channel. All staff working here every day, and I take the video by wood turning tool like this. You see, you can check all video in my channel. Yeah, you can check him and another staff working here. Yeah. Hello, say hello to you. I hope you check all video and appeal to my channel is coming soon with the monetize. Okay. In all the video, I say thank you so much for help me to coming with the monetize in my channel. Thank you so much. Thank you so much.